Hello everyone, my name is Soni Prabhakarrao Allewar. I am from Nagpur. I completed my electrical engineering from Suryoday College of Engineering and Technology in 2023. After completing my degree, I am searching for a job. When I was searching for a job, I got to know about the Evision Technoserve from one of my friend. And after getting all the details about Evision Technoserve, I joined the 3 months of internship program. And after completing 3 months of internship program, the HR calls are started. And then after giving some interviews, now I am selected in HCL with the package of 3 LPA. I would like to thank Mr. Ganesh sir and Anamika ma'am as well as Priya ma'am and Amit sir. They are with me throughout the selection process, and I would like to say everyone that please join the Evision Technoserve if you want the job. Thank you.